Hello and welcome to our next innovaphone myApps tutorial. In today's video, we would like to introduce three-way conference calls with the Phone app and the Softphone app. You are already in an established phone call with someone. Now, click on the button Start Consultation. You can now either use the search field to look for the new destination, or you can enter the phone number directly, or you can select a contact from your favorites or from your call history. Go ahead and click on the green handset symbol to initiate the phone call. The first phone call is put on hold and recorded music is played. As soon as the second call is established, you can start the three-way call. With the call put on hold, click on the little conference button indicated with the three dots connected with lines. The three-way conference call is established and you are connected with both parties. You can end the three-way call either by using the respective button to hang up with one of the two parties. You will then remain connected with the other one of the two parties. You can also terminate the three-way call by placing one of the two calls back on hold. Click on the hold button of the call you would like to put on hold. You are now consulting with the other party. You can switch back and forth between the two calls as you please by always activating the call on hold with the green Retrieve button. Click on the conference button with the three dots connected by lines again to establish the three-way call once more. Many thanks for watching and see you again next time.